Come test drive the 2020 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.